Today we are making a delicious cranberry Moscow Mule. My name is Aliena and welcome to my kitchen. So the first thing you're going to need to do is grab yourself a punch bowl, and to that I'm going to add in 1 cup of just freshly squeezed lime juice. And I am going to add in 3 cups of my cranberry juice. Next, this is completely optional, but if you want to give even more of a gingery, spicy kick to your drink, you can grate in some fresh ginger, which I'm going to do. You don't need very much, but I do recommend grating it because you don't want to be serving this and then one of your guests gets a chunk of ginger. And next, you have to remember your booze. You can't have a Moscow Mule without a little vodka, so you can do 2 to 3 cups. Or if you don't want to add it at all, you don't have to. But as always, you can make this as boozy as you like. Next, I'm going to add in my ginger beer. If you're not serving this right away, I recommend just popping this in your fridge and then adding your ginger beer when your guests arrive, because you don't want the bubbles to go flat. And I'm just using Fever Tree's ginger beer. I'm going to be using 8 of their little bottles. They're only 6.8 fluid ounces. So you want to use around 6 to 7 cups of ginger beer. And I like to add some fresh lime slices to our drink, as well as some fresh cranberries. I have to say, this is absolutely delicious. You really get that kick from the ginger, but there's also a nice level of sweetness to it from having that cranberry juice. I hope you enjoy this drink as much as I do, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have an amazing holiday season. Cheers!